Hello and welcome you to another part of this chapter, probability. In this part, we shall prove an important inequality, that is Boole's inequality. The statement of Boole's inequality is that for any n number of events a1, a2 up to an, probability of a1 plus a2 up to an, this is less equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 plus up to probability of an. So we have to prove this Boole's inequality, and the method we shall use here is the mathematical induction. First of all, let us denote this inequality by the statement Sn. Actually, n means the number of events here. Now, one thing to note here, if a1, a2, n, these events are mutually exclusive, then this inequality reduces to equality, which is nothing but the third axiom of probability. Okay, let us start the proof. First, we assume this inequality by this statement Sn. In mathematical induction, we shall first prove that the statement is correct for some n equal to 1 or 2, and then we shall assume that the statement is correct for some positive integer n equal to m, and using this we shall prove that the statement is correct for n equal to m plus 1. Then we can conclude that the statement is true for any natural number n. So first we shall prove that the statement is correct for n equal to 2, that is for two number of events. So for n equal to 2, we have taken only two events a1 and a2, and we know that for any two arbitrary events a1 and a2, this equality is true. This equality has been proved by using the axioms of the probability in part 2 of this chapter, and it is probability of a1 plus a2 is equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 minus probability of a1 a2. Now rearranging the terms, we can write that this equality is equivalent to this one. So here we have taken probability of a1 a2 in right hand side and remaining terms in the left hand side. Now a1 a2 is another event, and by the first axiom of probability we know that probability of any event is non-negative. So this right hand part, this is probability of some event, this is greater or equal to 0. From here, so here we write, so it is greater or equal to 0. From here we can conclude that probability of a1 plus probability of a2 minus probability of a1 plus a2 is greater or equal to 0, or this can be written as probability of a1 plus a2 is less equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2. Hence the statement is true for n equal to 2. So S2 is correct. Next we shall assume that the statement is correct for n equal to m, where m is a positive integer which is obviously greater or equal to 2. So that means the statement Sm is correct. That means probability of a1 plus a2 up to am, this is less equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 up to probability of am. In mathematical induction, we shall assume that the statement is true for n equal to m. So assume that this statement is true. Hence using this we have to prove that the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1. That means we have to prove this inequality by using this inequality and this inequality. Now to prove that the statement is correct for n equal to m plus 1, we start with the left hand side, that is probability of a1 plus a2 up to am plus 1. Now we shall assume that this event is equal to b. That means a1 plus a2 up to am, this is equal to b. Then this can be written as p of b plus am plus 1. Now since we have already proved that the statement is correct for n equal to 2, that means two number of events, Now we have two number of events b and am plus 1. So for these two events the statement or the inequality is correct. That means this can be written as less equal to probability of b plus probability of am plus 1. Now which is equal to probability of b means this one. So it is a1 plus a2 up to am plus p of am plus 1. Now we have assumed that the statement is correct for n equal to m. That means we have assumed this inequality, this is correct. So probability of a1 plus a2 up to am, this can be written as less equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 up to probability of am. So we can write here this is less equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 up to probability of am and plus this term probability of am plus 1. Now here we have the result, that is probability of a1 plus a2 up to am plus 1. This is less equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 up to probability of am plus 1. From here we can conclude that the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1. That means the statement s m plus 1 is true. Now we have the result that we have already proved that the result is true for n equal to 2. Now using the result that the statement is correct for n equal to m, we have now proved that the statement is correct for n equal to m plus 1. Hence by the method of mathematical induction, we now conclude that the statement is correct for any positive integer n. That means for any natural number n. Therefore, this Boole's inequality is correct for any natural number n, that is for any number of events. That completes the proof of this Boole's inequality. Next, we have some applications of Boole's inequality. So this is Boole's inequality. Now instead of using the events a1, a2, an, we shall use here the complements of these events, so that if we use the complements of the events, then the Boole's inequality reduces to this one. Now in the left hand side we shall use the De Morgan's law, and in the right hand side we shall write probability of a1 complement, that is equal to 1 minus probability of a1, and similar for the other events. Now in the left hand side we have used De Morgan's law. So probability of this one is equal to probability of this one with complement, and this can be written as 1 minus probability of a1, a2 up to an. So we write here. In the right hand side we have used the summation here. Now sum is from I equal to 1 to n. So now here it is summation over I from 1 to n. So this is n minus sum of these events. Now rearranging the terms, we have found that probability of a1, a2, an, this is greater or equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 plus up to probability of an minus of n minus 1. This particular inequality is called Bonferroni's inequality. So this is an application of Boole's inequality. Now using Boole's inequality we can prove this Bonferroni's inequality. So that completes this part. See you in the next part of this chapter probability. Until then, thanks for watching.